Dear friend, do you know what kind of profitable job do you need to pick for an income to support your family? Is your current job bringing in sufficient income every month? What if someday you lose your job? How are you going to continue making income? If you are sick and tired thinking of all that, then you're in the right place. There is a type of income that is continuous and will always give you more than beyond your imagination to achieve financial freedom. An amount that you may need to work for the rest of your life to gain, and you will be able to do it in the shortest time as possible. Would you like to know how to do it? Introducing Passive Autopilot System. The system is one of my best works ever created. This is a complete system where I will be transferring all my exclusive methods to you that are proven to be effective. You can just simply copy and paste these methods and apply on your business. And yes, this works with any business in any industry. Finally, here is the last course you will ever need to master the arts of evergreen income streams and build a successful internet business. And remember, no experience needed for this system to apply. No technical previous skill required. Easy to understand step-by-step system. And just simply copy and paste methods. Okay. Let's cut this short and simple. You have two options to choose. Option 1. Continue what you are doing and wait for miracles to happen on you. Option 2. Take action today and get started to this 30-day risk-free system to create your evergreen income today. Click the button below to start building your Autopilot Evergreen business.